I started this clinic having not learned anything from anyone. I built it from scratch. I did not have another person's protocol to go by. I had to figure it all out myself. The training that I got was in the US. It's actually been the best thing that's ever happened to me to not have anyone else to follow, because the protocols I've created are quite specific for this clinic. Firstly, compared to conventional medicine, we are wellness. We try to prevent a person from getting sick. Let's be proactive, and that's a big thing that we do, which is different from conventional. The whole concept of super specialization is necessary, but this is about taking 3 steps back, looking at the person, remembering that there's a domino effect, that every single system in your body works with one another, and if you just focus on one, that's not the answer. You need to take a step back. You need to focus on all of them, and that's what we do, and that is why we get results.